Question 8. Transform the expression sin theta plus root 3 cos theta into the form a sin theta plus phi. Let's start by separating theta and phi using the standard identities that we know. So a sin theta plus phi is equal to this expression here. The sin theta plus root 3 cos theta, we've now got two expressions, and if we compare the sine term in this expression with the sine term in this expression, the cos term here with the cos term here, we can compare the coefficients and we get a cos phi is equal to 1 and a sin phi is equal to root 3. Dividing a sin phi by a cos phi gives us tan phi, which is equal to root 3 over 1. From our standard triangles we know that the arctan of root 3 is equal to 60 degrees, so we know that phi is equal to 60 degrees. To find a, the amplitude, we want to get sine phi and cos phi by themselves. So there's cos phi and there's sine phi. Now if we square the two of them, we get cos squared phi plus sine squared phi is equal to this expression here. But cos squared phi plus sine squared phi is equal to 1, so we can now set these equal to each other. With a bit of rearrangement we can say 1 squared plus root 3 squared is equal to a squared. 1 plus 3 is 4, the square root of 4 is 2, so we can write that a, the amplitude, is equal to 2. Let's clear the page so we have somewhere to write. Right, the second part of the question says identify the maximum value of the expression. Sine waves vary between plus 1 and minus 1. Sine varies from plus 1 to minus 1, but we're multiplying that by the amplitude. Sine waves vary between 1 and minus 1, but we're multiplying by this amplitude, so that means the maximum value is going to be 2. It also asks us to identify the phase angle, which is 60 degrees. Finally, the third part says what angle theta does the expression attain a maximum in the range 0 to 180? Well, we're talking about a sine wave, and sine waves look like this. Where this is 180. Excuse my writing. The maximum value here is at 90, so that means that theta plus phi equals 90. We've calculated that theta equals 60. We've calculated that phi equals 60, so that means that theta must equal 30. And that's the end of question 8.